Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here to show you guys the Astra 36 by Supreme. Now this is going to be their largest model in their zero clearance fireplace line. So this is a zero clearance unit. It can be framed directly into the wall and no masonry application is required. So the 36 model, I should also mention, this is shown in the traditional front. If you see behind me, this is what the clean face front would look like. So you do have two styling options if you prefer something a little more clean face. So inside the Firebox, you can see a beautiful, huge viewing area, nice thick gasketing on the door. 38 is 3.8 cubic feet on the Firebox. That is pretty huge for a zero clearance fireplace. I should also mention that this is a non-catalytic fireplace. So this is a pretty big Firebox on a wood burning fireplace that doesn't have a catalyst. As you guys know, I typically prefer wood burning products that don't have catalysts because there's a lot less to go wrong. They're less finicky. They're not as particular on the type of like wood that you're burning. If you burn paper, etc., you're not going to clog it up. So that's super, super nice. Inside the Firebox, it's going to be a cast iron lining on both sides in the rear of the unit. The bottom of the unit is just a flat steel Firebox. The cast iron lining does have a beautiful brick pattern, which adds a lot to the aesthetic. Now this unit is just going to have two simple damper controls located right here on the top. You do have your primary damper control, which is going to bring your combustion air into the Firebox, and then your secondary damper control, which is basically essentially your air wash, which keeps the glass burning nice and clean. Now when you have a huge, beautiful glass door and a huge viewing area like this, you want to make sure that your fire is completely unobstructed. So Supreme did make some changes to this unit by replacing the old style air tubes with this beautiful stainless steel baffle system, which has air holes. So you're going to get that nice secondary burn without the air tubes, which means it's going to be, first of all, an unobstructed view. Number two, less parts to break, less parts to worry about cleaning. When it does come down to cleaning, you can just simply pop out this baffle and it's going to be a lot easier to clean out than those air tubes. Also, some people had issues where they would like load the Firebox and hit the top of the box and their air tubes would pop out. 38 is going to be 3.8 cubic feet on the Firebox, which is a very nice large Firebox. You can see these cast iron linings with the brick pattern. Again, top of the unit is going to have the stainless steel baffle with the air wash and a solid steel bottom. They do have a nice thick gasket option on the doors. That comes standard. Two damper controls located at the top. And then this finish here is going to be the traditional style finish. You can also get it in the clean face as well, which I'll show you over here. That's what a clean face on the Astra would look like. Their products are made in North America. They're actually manufactured up in Canada. Supreme is a wonderful family-owned business that has been excellent to work with throughout the years. I really hope that you guys enjoy these product overviews. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.